119 polling stations and
absolutely
about over 54,000 voters. And then near here you say
a sharp increase.
Okay.
What they compare a year 2024.
Okay.
And so voter population there, they be a crossroad. I mean, over here, baby Akwatia wa very strategic location. We say, over Accra Kumasi business corridor honwa. You see, in someone you in someone a quine buy and in someone free honey. One other place I be very busy. Yes, that eninem.
Yeah.
Ba Akwatia hono. And you might be bringing my name. So the Bianco Fede a major concentrated pointer a month for a movie to that area because who you free where unya baby a vibrant view and koko eshim so hon ayi koforidua eshim so hon maybe the next vibrant e be konongo no awrema ba edwo so afina wadu Kumasi.
I see.
It is John Akwatia enye nwanwase omo voter population no continues to search senior Yebekana Brofokasem. Sir John Akwatia ye old constituency. In fact 1992 na Akwatia ewo ho. Na Akwatia 92 no NPP an contested. Enya Akwatia nkwa na NPP an contest 92. Okay, the stolen verdict. Yes. Enti na ye NDC show. It is the first member of parliament for Akwatia, near friend Gilbert Akwasia J. Of course, unopposed because NPP uncontested parliamentary election. Sir John, 1996, NPP contested. Now NDC, nipa omo presenting for Akwatia election. Gilbert Akwasia J. Na or even though Senna or the MP for a year Akwatia in 1982 no, and yon ne call in 1996. Nipa Akoma NDC Alhaji Mohammed Ezuya Siam or no any contest for on the ticket of the NDC and as usual or retaining seat no edema a year NDC in fact onya 17,900 votes on the side of the NPP near friend Dr. Kwame Cheba for onunya 8,575 votes it margin na 9,325 nimu wapa. Sir John, yemra the year 2000, the wind of change.
Yeah.
Ne blue. Because yes, abayede from one party to the other. NDC hand over baton Ediama NPP. Die wu ajekum kufuo and anuoba. Sir John, nipa ojina muma NPP near freno Kingston Akominkisi. Onunya 17,483 votes. O the bar percentage mo ha mu chichemu adwonum miensa na chiriponsia 53.6%. NDC represented Alhaji YA Amankwa. Onunya 12,803 votes. O ha mu chichemu adwana na chiripo miensa 44.3%. Na say MPP after 92 and Oma Ankokra 96 Oma nya successful. The year 2000 Omo ye successful. Efa Akwatia City no. Sir John 2004 Kingston Akomia Kisi ono Nigeria muma NPP. Of course, osai we need you na hade. From a year 15,000 o movie the call 17,159. But percentage a hona asem no. The percentage need drop eh.
Okay.
Because NPP NDC appreciate here. Onya 50.8%. Don't forget say the year 2000 no kuta 53.6%. Sir John, NDC Lumba lawyer. Your friend say,
Baba Jamal.
Yes. No unity for the first time on a ticket of the NDC. Baba Jamal enya 16,087 votes, representing 47.6%. Sir John, 2008 na ye highly contested contest.
Okay.
Sir John, another wind of change. NPP hand the baton Ediama NDC. NDC was being represented presidential by the late former president, His Excellency Professor John Evans-Nkum. na nipa no ne ko for Akwatia na again no other person than Lumba lawyer Baba Jamal. Sejon Baba Jamal enya 17,777 votes. What they call percentage terms are 50.9%. Kofi Asare enya 17,000, very close, 17,160 votes. What they call percentage terms are 49.1%. Sir John, after we move it to 2012. Again, Baba Jamal ena ejnem ediama eye NDC. Kofi Asare sa babiu. Can we say Kofi Asare ba eyiniti no okoso scare edema Baba Jamal because we hear vote difference na nya ahibia. 2012 Baba Jamal enya 19,811 votes representing 50.4%. Kofi Asare again Emma Baba Jamal 19,517 votes representing 49.6%. It will point now in the 2008 elections now your point 1 even though now we near 49. Kofi Asare moving in the call 0.6. Now it should tell you one thing. Say it should tell you one thing. Say Kofi Asare was on the road of recapturing that seat for the NPP. Sir John, 2016. But my mention was the 2012 no. We have margin na 294. Total vote cast na 39,328 valid votes and 614 rejected ballots. Sir John, 2016. Kofi Asare Ankobiu.
Okay.
But wa unim the saloon lady. Amasi, yeah. Amasi be wonders be. Sir John, Baba Jamal ekura ne 17,000 nim. Unyano eye 208 or sabinya 17,000 biu. 2012 the opejam de 19,000. But 2016 no osa drifted back to eye 17,000 no. Unya 17,453 votes representing 39.4%. Sir John, hwade wa ha. NPP Mercy Edu Jamfi dodo na friend Amasi obeno itiri. Onya 22,981 NPP omunya bi sa da e Akwatia representing 60.6%. Amasi record a oyeduma NPP no but see NDC actually kokwa sapsa eni Amasi free ho. Sir John, 2020 elections NDC SR capture because acquire Amasi efa so lusu eye primary no and talk for assume especially the NPP people there so they punish it almost punish your party no. Sir John, in the 2020 elections Henry Yadom Boache of the NDC enya 19,899 votes representing 51.5%. NPP the late NS Yakumi Ebemu with 18,742 representing 48.5%. Difference now 1,157%. In fact, there was some conspiracy theory. Say I'ma say Uncle school into a nam soma NPP eyi ne to ho. So they are here, and that was the story. Sir John, 2024 after say NS Yakumi Entimi and winning a year 2020 elections. 2024 o winning seat no edema a year NPP. Okay. But not without some controversies. Onya 19,262 representing 52.83%. NDC Henry Boache enya 17,206 representing 47.17%. Difference no near 2,063. Okay. Total vote cast 36,475 rejected on A295. But him say a certain Kofodia High Court. Eka say Evans-Nkum yentimi nsuani in. Yes. Emma okwa ahead. Emma Adeno Supreme Court na so ekoye yenya enim say. Ekoye say odi free mu.
Enti enano between nipa mienu aye Akoma asem. Asumadu any lawyer Beidu
yeah.
Mame ko Yvonne ho na on fire fam. Said here process